Saw this car getting away from the area and starting to go down the hill, and within all the there were still many gunshots all the time. Suddenly the car starts to go down the hill like without control, absolutely, and that's when it hits the cops. It was obvious to everybody, like you only need a second to think about it and you say, okay, the driver was obviously dead by the time that he lost control this way. That's when he hit the cops. He was obviously dead already.
A plan to destroy the houses of the Palestinian citizens here in the Negev and to rebuild it for the Jewish. It's an act of aggression.